Tokio Marine HCC Medical Insurance Services Travel Insurance Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Tokio Marine HCC Medical Insurance Services travel insurance based on my personal usage experience. You'll find links to their products in the description below for more details. Tokio Marine HCC provides a range of travel insurance plans with a strong focus on medical coverage, making it a great option for international travelers, especially those seeking medical protection while abroad. One of the standout features of their travel insurance is the comprehensive medical coverage, which includes emergency medical expenses, hospitalization, and emergency medical evacuation. This is particularly important for travelers going to countries where healthcare can be costly or hard to access. What sets Tokio Marine HCC apart is their ability to tailor coverage to the specific needs of different travelers. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a business traveler, or someone planning a long-term stay abroad, they offer flexible plans that can be customized for your trip. They also offer options for trip interruption, lost baggage, and travel delays, ensuring that your travel experience is protected from multiple angles. For those traveling with specific health concerns, such as pre-existing conditions, Tokio Marine HCC offers special considerations and coverage options. This level of flexibility ensures that even travelers with medical conditions can find a policy that suits their needs. Another plus is their 24/7 emergency assistance, which can be a lifesaver in case of an unexpected situation. It's also worth mentioning that Tokio Marine HCC has a strong reputation for customer service, which means that if you ever need to make a claim or require assistance, you'll be in good hands. Overall, if you're looking for a solid, reliable travel insurance provider with excellent medical coverage and flexible options, Tokio Marine HCC is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and feel free to leave any questions in the comments.